Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Now we are going to discuss about the problems based on constraint equations. The first problem today discuss first problem. Using constraints equations find the relation between A1 and A2. Okay, A1 and A2. In this pulley system, the three pulleys are connected. Okay, the long string is connected block 1 and the short string is connected to block 2. Okay, then by using constraint equations, find the relation between A1 and A2. A1 and A2 find out. In this problem, the points 1, 2, so I taken this is the third point, this is the fourth point. This is a third point and fourth point. So let us consider 1, 2, 3, 4 points. These are movable points. These are moving points. So let their displacements from a dotted line. Displacement from a dotted line. The displacement from a dotted line to block 1, that is x1. Between dotted line to second block x2, this is x3, and in this one x4. This is the x4. Let us consider the block 1, 2 and pulleys. Second pulley and third pulley, that is taken the numbering third and fourth. These four are movable. Is movable. So let the displacement from a dotted line, that are x1, x2 and x3 and x4. By using constraint equations, x1 plus x3, x1 plus x3 is equal to L1. L1 is the length of the string. L1 is the length of the string. Next to x1 minus x3, x1 minus x3 plus x4 minus x3, x4 minus x3, that is equal to L2, the second length of the string. Okay, next x1 minus x4 plus x2 minus x4, x2 minus x4 is equal to L3, is equal to L3. Okay, very simple. The first two length L1, okay, this is L1, L2 and L3, the length of the string. First taking in this string, the length is string x1 plus x3 is equal to L1. Okay, next to taken second, in this is the string is the second string, the length of the second string. The first taken x1 minus x3 plus x4 minus x3, x4 minus x3 is equal to L2. The last one x1 minus x4 is the minus x4 plus x2 minus x4, that is equal to L3. Okay, these are the equations. And these three equations, this is the, okay, these three equations, both sides, the two times differentiation with respect to time taken. The two times because of the relation, the constraint equations means the establishing the relation between acceleration of different blocks of the system. It is written as first a1 plus a3 is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. Next, a1 minus a3 plus a4 minus a3 is equal to 0. a1 plus a4 minus 2a3 is equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. The next to a1 minus a4 plus a2 minus a4 is equal to 0. a1 plus a2 minus 2a4, that is equal to 0. This is the equation number 3. a1 plus a3 is equal to 0. That is the equation number 1. a1 plus a4 minus 2a3 is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. a1 plus a2 minus 2a4, that is equal to 0. That is the equation number 3. Okay, from 1, 2 and 3, the simplification equations 1, 2 and 3 simplification. What is the relation between a1 and a2? What is the relation? a2 is equal to, the lastly, a2 is equal to minus 7a1, which is the relation between a1 and a2 by using the constraint equations. Okay, this is the a2 is equal to minus 7a1, minus 7a1. So using constraint equations to find the relation between a1 and a2, the previously discussed already. What is the relation between a2 is equal to minus 7a1? Okay, so I taken if two blocks have masses 1 kg and 2 kg, 1 kg and 2 kg, then find acceleration and tension in the different strings, find out. Okay, in this one, so 1 kg is a very less compared to 2 kg, that is m2 greater than m1. The acceleration acting downward direction in this block is moving in upward direction. So let us consider the pulleys 3 and 4. This is the 3 and 4 are massless, hence the net force on them should be 0. Net force on them should be 0. In this condition, therefore, if we take tension T, so tension T in the shortest string, then tension in other two strings will be 2T and 4T respectively. 4T respectively. 2T and 4T respectively, like in this way. Okay, this is the string, just once derive, once draw this. Okay, in this way, the tension T, the shortest string is T, then other strings is T plus T, 2T, 2t, next 2t plus 2t 40. Then the relation between, in this previous session discuss one problem, a2 is equal to minus 7a1. this is m2 greater than m1. this is a downward direction, this block will be moving upward direction. Then it is written as a first to take a 1 kg block, 40 plus 2t plus t minus g, okay, that is the mg. So 1 into g, 1g into is equal to 1a. 70 minus 10 is equal to a. This is the equation number 1. 70 minus 10 is equal to a. This is the equation number 1. Then next to take second block, the tension acting in upward direction. Okay, mg is acting downward direction, 2 into g, 2g, that is 20. 20 minus t is equal to 2a. Okay, in this direction a is acting, in this one a2 is equal to 7a. 20 minus t is equal to 2 into 7, 14, 14a. 20 minus t is equal to 14a. This is the equation number 2. Equation number 2. Okay, simplify these two equations, simplifications. Then t is equal to 1.62. that t is equal to 1.62 Newton. T is equal to 1.62 Newton, and acceleration a is equal to 1.31 meter per second square. This is the problem. It's a very simple problem in this one. Hope you like this video, students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.